high-precision valve body featuring a quick connect function. This valve body is custom-made for a globally renowned cleaning equipment client. Its uniqueness lies in its ability to automatically open the valve when the quick connector is attached, enabling rapid fluid control. Conversely, when the quick connector is removed, the valve automatically closes, ensuring a complete seal. Precision machining using advanced turning milling composite machines ensures all dimensions are completed in a single setup, eliminating errors and enhancing product quality and performance. The valve body is composed of 3 precision machine parts, high-strength steel balls, and springs. Each part undergoes stringent quality control and testing to ensure exceptional performance in demanding environments. Assembly. During assembly, each component is meticulously aligned and rigorously inspected to ensure the valve body's reliability and durability. We ensure that every valve body achieves optimal working condition, providing customers with the highest quality products. Water flow test. The valve body undergoes stringent water flow tests. When connected, it opens automatically and locks securely to prevent leaks. When disconnected, it seals automatically, ensuring system safety and reliability. Application field. This high-precision valve body is widely used in professional cleaning equipment, such as ride-on, stand-on scrubber dryers. Its efficient and reliable performance makes it a preferred choice in the industry, providing end customers with top-notch cleaning solutions.